In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade WooCommerce. Whether you're running into compatibility issues with other plugins or you just prefer the functionality of an earlier version, downgrading can sometimes become a necessary process. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through every step of the way, making the process as smooth as possible. First things first, head over to the WooCommerce website. You can easily find it by typing WooCommerce into your favorite search engine or navigating directly if you know the URL. Once you arrive at the home page, the layout is pretty straightforward, making finding what you need quite simple. Next, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login button, usually is prominently placed at the top of the page. Clicking this will redirect you to the login page. If you've visited WooCommerce before, this screen will look familiar. If it's your first time, don't worry, it's user-friendly. Now it's time to continue with the authentication process. Here you're given a couple of options. You can either enter your WooCommerce credentials, which are your email address and password, or for an even more straightforward method, you can sign in using your Google account. This option is particularly useful if you prefer consolidating your logins, and it streamlines access by linking your WooCommerce data to an account you likely use daily. Simply choose the method that works best for you. After your login, you will be navigated automatically to the WooCommerce dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. The dashboard provides a comprehensive view of your store, from sales data to product management. But today our focus will be on managing your WooCommerce version, not on the broader functionalities of the dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, locate the My Subscriptions tab. This is where WooCommerce lists your active products and services, including any plugins or themes you've purchased directly from them. It's important to note here that managing your subscriptions and services is crucial for maintaining the back end of your e-commerce site, and this includes keeping your software versions up to date, or in our case, rolling them back. Unfortunately, the exact downgrading process isn't handled directly within the WooCommerce dashboard. This video is instead laying the groundwork, helping ensure that you're properly navigating the WooCommerce site and accessing the right areas. For the actual downgrade, you'll need to manually install the version of WooCommerce you're looking to revert to. This can be done by accessing your site via FTP, locating the WooCommerce plugin directory, and replacing it with the plugin version files you wish to install. A word to the wise, always back up your website before making any changes, especially when it comes to downgrading software. This ensures that, should anything go amiss, you can restore your site to its previous state without losing any vital data. Additionally, consider staging your site to test the downgrade in a safe environment before applying it to your live site. This extra step can save you from any unforeseen issues that might arise from compatibility problems between different plugin versions. To sum up, while this guide has walked you through the preparatory steps within the WooCommerce site to get you ready for a downgrade, the actual process will involve a bit more technical know-how, specifically in managing your site's plugins directly. Always proceed with care and ensure you have backups to safeguard your online store. Remember, the goal here is to make sure that your WooCommerce store continues to run smoothly, catering to your business's unique needs. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce veteran or just starting out, understanding how to manage your WooCommerce versions is key to providing a stable and efficient shopping experience for your customers. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to help you optimize your e-commerce journey.